Hey guys, Havoc, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can reach Mastery 20 in Trove. There are two ways that I'm going to show in this video. One being collecting glue and the other being Mastery points from mounts. Also, if you're confused on checking your Mastery rank, I'll show you a screenshot on how to. Introduction. Mastery rank is important. You'll get rewards and other cool items like qubits, mounts, and more. One of the things Mastery rank can be used for is the marketplace and the trading post. These are by far the most important things you would need to start earning flux, aka Trove's money. Now let's get into how you can get Mastery points. Number 1. Collecting glue. Collecting glue is a quick and easy way to get small amounts of Mastery points. It can be done like this. Once you've collected a loot from the dungeon chest or the boss, go to your cornerstone, or if you don't have a cornerstone, claim one and go to your loot collector. Once you're in your loot collector, you would want to right click on all of the gear that you've collected. If you want to keep the gear, it's fine, but just right click on the gear you don't want. And then you'll get Mastery points for it. It's that easy. Loot collecting isn't the quickest way, but can be done whenever, unlike the other ones. Number 2. Collecting Mastery points from mounts. Collecting mounts, wings, costume, etc. can give great amounts of Mastery points. If you're wondering how to get these items, there are two easy ways. Number 1. Just play the game and have fun. Number 2. Use Trovosaurus's guide on how to get to Mastery 20 as fast as possible. Link will be in the description. In that guide, they will show you how to redeem codes and get free mounts. These mounts give Mastery and can also be used like normal, like you can ride the mounts and etc. If you're wondering what platform you can claim these mounts on, I think it's PC. I'm not sure about PS4. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Comment down below if you have any questions or you didn't find this content really helpful, and I can fix on that.